Oh. You precious little girl. I'm so sorry you have the hiccups. You used to get the hiccups all the time when you were in Mama's tummy.